You're here with me. You are my shepherd, I shall not fear. You lead me gently, you draw me near to quiet waters where peace flows slow. You calm my soul, you help me grow. Boy, surely your goodness follows me. Mercy will keep me endlessly in every breath, in all I do. I find my rest, my hope in you. In green pastures I rest tonight, held in the warmth of heaven's light. Even through valleys dark and deep, your rod and staff still guard my sleep. Surely your goodness follows me. Mercy will keep me endlessly in every breath, in all I do. I find my rest, my hope in you. You set a table, you call me friend, with oil of healing, your love won't end. My cup is full, my heart is still. I trust your promise, I trust your will. Oh, dear, surely your goodness follows me. Mercy will keep me endlessly in every breath, in all I do. I find my rest, my hope in you. In your house I'll dwell, in your peace I'll sleep. You watch through the night, your love runs deep. No fear can stay, no storm can break the quiet hope your presence makes. For yet surely your goodness follows me, forever safe, eternally. I close my eyes and dream of you, my shepherd strong, my heart so